Comba. Ready?
Yep.
And you'll lean forward. So Patrik, tell us about Comba's position here in Latin America and your distribution strategy in Latin America.
Okay. Hi, Jeff. Yeah, in Latin America, we set up the first office here in Brazil around 2006. And since then, we have been growing from Brazil, reaching the other countries. So today we have a distribution over from Mexico all the way down to the tip of South America, with offices in Mexico, in Peru. We have 4 offices in Brazil, and we have local people also in Argentina, Chile, and Colombia. So we operate mainly from these countries, and in the rest of the countries we tend to use some kind of system integrator or representative or distributor of some kind.
And you have manufacturing here in Brazil. How do you fulfill the local content rules they have in place for Brazil?
We do have a contract manufacturing facility in Brazil, but mainly for the microwave antennas, for the big stuff that we cannot really ship in an efficient way. The rest we import, as most of our competitors. So we tend to buy from the factory in China and do importation here.
And talk about some of the DAS implementations you've successfully won preparing Brazil for the Olympics and World Cup.
Yeah, early this year we were awarded 4 out of the 6 stadiums that participate in the Confederation Cup in June. So we made implementations of most of the northeastern area, which is Recife, Salvador, and Fortaleza, and also we made the capital Brasilia Stadium, which is one of the biggest ones. So those 4 are operating right now, and as far as I understand, last week we were awarded another 4 that will be participating in the World Cup next year. So we're just preparing our team to go ahead and do another 4 installations.
And in those cases, are they installed as neutral host distributed antenna systems, or are they going to be operated by one carrier? What can you tell us about the implementations?
Well, it's not really neutral host, because there's not a neutral company that operates. We do the full turnkey implementation of the system, design and implementation, and then we have something called assistive operation. During the World Cup, we have people on site 24/7 during the month and some weeks after. But the owner of the systems are the operators. So as we will leave the World Cup, we will have to see if they want to outsource the maintenance to another company, maybe us or someone else, or if they tend to operate themselves. What they have done between themselves, they have decided that, for example, this and that stadium will be managed by one of the operator, while the other stadium will be managed by a second operator, so to speak. So there's no neutral host like in between us and the operator.
Patrik, thanks for your time.
Sorry?
Thank you for your time.
Oh, thank you very much. Yeah.
Good. So I'll cut off that little last bit.
Okay.
Thank you.